in Chinatown. I am sure that all of you will be very happy. But before that, thank you so much our valued customers for your now. Are you all excited to see our special guest for today? Yes or yes? None other than my best friend, your best friend, ang best friend ng lahat, Jollibee! Hi Jollibee! Are you doing the center, Jollibee?
Ay, Lord!
Hi Jollibee! Hi, kumusta mo sa Jollibee? Okay ra? So, kumusta mo ng biyahe? Why left from dira? Naanay gamay. So Jollibee, nakunsa mo ka diri sa Jollibee Talibon. Okay, to meet and greet to our valued customers. So, medyo excited kayo nga naguwat ni mo Jollibee. Medyo excited jud kayo. So, Jollibee, napakaing ikahatag nilang mag-gift karon para sa tuwang customers. Asa mo na Jollibee?